Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here from Craftmania, and today we are looking at stamping with metallic gilding polish. And these just so happen to be on a buy three, get one free limited time offer when you use coupon code POLISH at checkout. Now, if you've not seen the Cosmic Shimmer polishes before, every one of them has a little applicator built into the lid. So when you come to use them, just pop out the applicator, build up a little ramp on the side of the jar of the product, so you've got a nice smooth coverage over the base of the applicator, and then go over the top of your stamp, just applying this in a thin coat. Now, this is a quick, dry, water-based product, so cleanup is really easy, but the important bit is before you stamp your image, just give it a little mist with some water, because it may have already started to dry on your stamp, and by adding in that moisture with the water, it will make it perfectly ready to stamp and give you the perfect impression. Now, there are 40 different colours available in these polishes, and I'm just going to stick to 2 in this little video. We are using Ocean Teal for our first demo, and for the second one we are using Red Bronze. And of course we're going to also mix them to show you how you can use 2 colours on one image. But sticking with this one, exactly the same again, red bronze over the top of the stamped image, a little mist of water, and then straight down onto my coconut white card so you can see that lovely crisp metallic-y pearl image that we have created. Now, doesn't this open so many options and ways to use these, because of not only can we of course stamp with this product, we can go over embossed card, we can cover whole sheets of card with it, we can really tone in all of the elements to our card. So maybe you want to do the mats and layers to go underneath these in a matching colour or the same colour, that would work really nicely. It really is pearl card in a jar, but not only pearl card, as you can see, the perfect one to stamp with as well, so we can use it all throughout our projects. Now, onto this little demo. This time I'm taking both colours and I'm just applying a small amount of them over the stamp, so we end up with a really lovely blended rainbow red bronze and ocean teal coverage, which I think looks so beautiful and very vintage and fits in with this gorgeous stamp. Now, once again, your offer on your polishes is buy three, get one free with coupon code POLISH. You will also find the stamps I've been using in this video available on Craftmania too. The address is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. UK P&P is free anytime you spend over £5, and international shipping is capped at just £10. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye for now.